And the race is on. Schematics from the outside. Star Eliza. Notitatat is running by the head spin. Kissable Toys. Schematics. Star Eliza from the outside. Notitatat. Kissable Toys racing import by Sam Tuleng's head spin is running at the tail of the field by about 5 or 6 lengths of the leader. Star Eliza is now the leader by Sam Tuleng's. Schematics in second. Notitatat. Kissable Toys from the outside and head spin. Rounding the far turn, Star Eliza by Sam Tuleng's. Schematics. Kissable Toys from the outside, Notitatat and head spin. As they race the last 450, Star Eliza by Sam Tuleng's, followed by Schematics. Kissable Toys from the outside and Notitatat is running in the middle. And nearing the finish line, Kissable Toys from the outside by the Schematics. Notitatat is running in the middle. Kissable Toys by a length and a half, and nearing the finish line, Kissable Toys, the horse of Mr. Roland Lim. Second, Notitatat, Schematic, Star Eliza, at spin comes last.
Okay, crossing the wire for our stop